What if your next speaker upgrade could completely transform your drive? Let's unbox the Kicker KS Series 6x9 component speaker system. With 150 watts RMS and 300 watts peak power, these speakers deliver rich bass, detailed mids, and crystal clear highs. The polypropylene woofers and silk dome tweeters create a smooth, balanced sound that's built for everyday listening. The adjustable tweeters let you fine-tune your soundstage, while the thin mount design makes installation easy behind most factory grills. If you're ready for premium sound and incredible flexibility, the Kicker 51KSS6904 is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Get yours today at onlinecarstereo.com.